Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable autopay on Truist credit cards, detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable autopay on your Truist credit card, start by visiting the Truist website. Log into your online banking account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section. Select your credit card from the list of accounts displayed. Look for the payment or autopay options within the account details. Click on the Autopay settings to open the configuration page. Review your current autopay settings to ensure you are disabling the correct option. Locate the feature or toggle to disable autopay. Confirm your choice to turn off autopay when prompted. Once the autopay feature is disabled, check for a confirmation message. If you prefer to disable autopay via the mobile app, open the Truist mobile application. Log in with your account credentials. Tap on Accounts to view your credit card. Access the Payment or Autopay section. Follow similar steps to disable autopay as you did on the website. After disabling, look for a confirmation notification in the app. For additional assistance, contact Truist customer service directly. You can find the customer service number on the back of your credit card or on their website. Make sure to review your billing statements regularly after disabling autopay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.